So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we see some moves of Rubik's cube. No matter how many times they rotate it again and again gets solved. So let's see. Now your time is to subscribe this channel and like this video. So this is the first algorithm. I don't know its name, but it is used during solving the Rubik's cube. So let's move right side up and upper side clockwise, and right side down and upper side anti-clockwise. Repeat this 5 times and your cube will get solved. Let's see. And it gets solved. Second one is known as sledgehammer. Rotate the right side down and front side clockwise, and then right side up, front side anti-clockwise, and repeat this algorithm 5 times. And cube will get solved. This is also used in solving the cube, and this is very important. The third move, rotate the right side up and upper side anti-clockwise and repeat this 65 times.
Thanks for watching this video.